Welcome to another quick draw on Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. I'm going to show you step by step how to draw a reindeer. Follow along. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need to. I suggest using a marker or a brown or black crayon. Let's go. First, start with the nose. Then add two curves coming out of the bottom of the nose like this to make the mouth. Many animals start like this. Next, draw some nice big ovals for the eyes. Then we're going to draw a line across the middle of each of the eyes to make eyelids. Draw the rest of the eye peeking out from below the eyelid. Because caribou or reindeer live in the far north, they need a way to keep the snow out of their eyes. So they have long, thick eyelashes. Draw letter U's along the top of the eyelid to create eyelashes. We've got to keep that snow out of the reindeer's eyes. Great. It's time to make an oval head around the face. And finally, we're going to create the most noticeable feature. We've been waiting for it. Antlers. Start with a very thick, short line on each side of the head. Next, you're going to turn these into the shape of a capital Y, like this. Be sure to make the lines thick and dark. Then turn the ends into more letter Y's. Now it's time for you to use your artistic eye. Look at your reindeer so far and think, where else might you need another Y shape? Add some Y's until you like how it looks. Perfect. Now the body, we're going to draw a curve coming out from below the head on each side, kind of the shoulders and the top of the body, like this. Next, from the bottom of each of those lines, we're going to make curves that go the other way to make the beginning of the legs, like this. We're going to create legs by making a shape like the end of the paintbrush to make the legs. Now the hoofs, big rectangles, and color them in black. Those are the hoofs. Below the face, draw some squiggly lines to show the warm curly fur that keeps their neck warm, kind of like a scarf. Add snowflakes or a few more to make a herd of caribou or reindeer. Same thing, we call them two different names. Learn how to draw these snowflakes in this video linked in the description box below. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. Be sure to check out more winter videos on my channel. Have a great day!